As a team of watch enthusiasts, we're all big fans of the work NOMOS do. Not only do they create appealing, well-designed, stylish watches, but the company and the people behind the brand are friendly, welcoming, and so easy to get along with. With this in mind, it was fair to say I was looking forward to our meeting with them at Baselworld 2019. Of course for the watches, but also to chat with the brand representatives. Let's take a look at the latest watches from NOMOS. The updated NOMOS Tangente 41. This version of the Tangente was a model we saw last year at Baselworld 2018. However, now it's back with a new dial colour. A dark grey/chocolate brown dial can now be found on the Tangente. NOMOS officially call this a dark ruthenium. Whatever you decide to call it, the main thing you need to know is that it looks uber sleek on the wrist. The unique approach to the date display with the movement, take a look at the number between the two red displays, is very subtle as well. Don't be put off with a 41mm case width either. Because of the slender lugs and the case, the watch wears incredibly well. The price of this watch is 3,520 Swiss franc. Next up, a diving watch from NOMOS. No, that's not a mistake. NOMOS have now made moves to get in on the diving watches market with a new sports range. The Tangente and Club ranges are now available in 42mm with 300 meters of water resistance, or 1000 foot, which NOMOS prefer to say on the dial, and a brand new metal bracelet for NOMOS. In fact, the first of its kind for the brand. On the wrist, these models have such a unique look to them. My personal favourite was the Tangente Marine Black, a model I naturally wouldn't have gone with before. However, its crazy sunburst dial, balance of unique shades of popular colours, and strong use of lume makes it such a cool option. As you can probably tell, NOMOS has done a brilliant job here of offering consumers in the market for a diver's watch with something unique and different. And, yet at the same time, have kept the DNA of NOMOS. These watches are all very clearly on brand, which is not a bad thing at all. Prices for these models start from 3,540 to 4,380 Swiss franc. The NOMOS Club Campus Neomatic 39. Next up from NOMOS and their 2019 novelties is their updates to the Campus range. Now a midnight blue option and a white dial arrive on the scene. A metal bracelet is available for the white dial option, which is an overall youthful, quite fun look. However, my personal favourite release is the midnight blue option. This now comes with a two-piece fabric strap and is insanely comfortable on the wrist. I know we said recently the 731 Club Date is a perfect everyday watch, but for me, this could easily be strong competition. Prices start from 2,470 Swiss franc. Last but not least, NOMOS have released new small versions of their most popular models, and, for the first time, have dropped the Subseconds Track. These models all come in at 33mm wide, all combine gold and steel colours, and all sit at a very affordable price point. These 33mm models start at 1,170 Swiss franc, going up to just 1,350 Swiss franc for the Orion model. I really enjoy seeing brands release models like this, as it shows they value their design and consumers' demand. These are brilliant options for people looking to own watches with jewellery of any colour because of those gold hands. It probably doesn't really come as a surprise to hear I really enjoyed our time with NOMOS. They have clearly been very busy this year, with a range of releases that truly offer something for everyone. Congratulations NOMOS on a strong Baselworld 2019. Stay tuned to the channel as well as our online magazine for further coverage of Baselworld 2019, as well as detailed hands-on time with the watches in the future.